Welcome back. Now, as stated before, you also have settings available inside of your Zoom account. So when you click this link that says View More Settings inside the General tab, this is going to take you to your Zoom account where you should be logged in. If you're not logged in when you get to the site, Zoom will request that you put in your login and password. And you should now be in the settings interface inside of your Zoom account. Now, by default, you'll be taken to your settings area inside of your account. If you want to look at your account, you can go to the right-hand corner to look at your profile. You can click right on top of your profile, and that's going to take you to your Zoom profile. And these are going to be elements that you can customize inside of your profile. Wherever you have set meetings, you'll be able to find them in the meetings area. You'll have tabs for upcoming meetings. You'll have tabs for previous meetings as well as meeting templates. If you have the webinar plan enabled, you will be able to find your webinars here in this area, and you'll find upcoming webinars, previous webinars, and webinar templates. In the next tab, you'll see that you can manage your recordings. You will have tabs for local recordings. You will also have tabs for cloud recordings if you have that feature enabled inside of your account. And if you click the link right below recordings, you'll click the settings link. It'll bring you back to your settings area. And you will be able to control your meeting settings. You'll be able to control your recording settings. And you'll be able to control your telephone settings. Now, managing the recordings in Zoom is a very important part to the process of archiving your meetings. As a result of that, we will cover this in several additional videos. For right now, we are going to move on to the rest of your left side panel, and we're going to go to the user management section. Once you do that, you can click on the user setting. And if you have other individuals connected to your account, you'll be able to manage those individuals inside of the user area. Then naturally, if you were just operating your account by yourself, you will not need to manage additional users. To that end, you can assign specific individuals to roles inside of Zoom: owner, admin, or member. Now, room management is where Zoom is in operation in specific offices using its Zoom Rooms features. If you are doing online webinars and online presentations, you're likely not to use this feature. The account management section is where you'll manage the logistics of your account, such as billing, as well as your account settings and profile. One thing you'll want to take note of if you have the webinar setting is that you can go inside of webinar settings and you can brand your webinars in this area with graphics that you can upload to Zoom. In the advanced setting, in the left side menu, you can also click on advanced. You can click on this link that says App Marketplace. It will take you to the App Marketplace where you can find connectors for Zoom. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.